Supposedly AI is going to take all of our jobs, but what I've proved right here is it can't even play a game of tic-tac-toe. So I've developed an app, it's on the web and it's also an Electron app. It's to play tic-tac-toe against LLMs, or have an LLM versus an LLM. So here you can see I've loaded up GPT 20 billion and Gemma 3 1 billion, and so you can use local LLMs, or if you like you can use remote ones, or I've got Gemini built in to this one, so you can mess about, put various LLMs against each other. That's kind of what I wanted to do. I wanted to see how good it was. And funnily enough, some smaller models are actually much better at playing the game. Some big models overthink it and then return the wrong output, even though, you know, I've told it what to do. But yeah, this was an experiment, and I've actually created a few of these experiments. So I've done other board games like checkers, like backgammon, games like dominoes, guess who, I've got pool, I've even got this like sumo wrestling game. And yeah, it's all AI versus AI, but I kind of wanted to put this one out there first to see what everybody thought, to see if anyone's actually interested in it. And you know, if you are, please let me know what you'd like to see next, or anything you'd like to see added to here. But yeah, like I said, I've got like Connect 4, Guess Who, pool, poker, sumo, backgammon, battleships, dominoes, checkers, and I'm also working on like a car racing and a Street Fighter type game. But let me know what you'd like to see next with AI versus AI. Personally, one of my favorites is poker, because you can see how the AI is really thinking the back end. And this for me is all about stats and seeing what the LLMs do more than the game itself, because these games have been developed and played a gazillion times. I just find that this being a very easily solvable game by your traditional game AI, it's very hard for an LLM to do. But yeah, as you can see, I've got loads of stats that get recorded, and I'm hoping to run these against loads of models, maybe get some kind of testing system that can do it automatically. I've already got like a system in this one where you can press 10 games, 50 games and put it headless, so it will do it a bit faster. But I might automate this a bit more, and I might actually combine all the games together, so we can see what LLMs are like across different types of games, and if some LLMs are better at certain games than others. So yeah, let me know what you think. I also almost forgot to tell you about the import-export system I added there. It's basically just, if you've tested this on an NVIDIA machine that you may have, let's say, and then you've got like something like a Strix Halo that can load bigger models, and you want to move that data across just so you can have the full view of all the data. Because yeah, like I said, this for me is more like a, I don't know, data sciencey project, I guess, to see how LLMs handle things. And yeah, since good old Clawdbot is going all viral, maybe I can see if I can get it to play these games via a WhatsApp message or something like that. That would be another fun little experiment. But yeah, I'll put a link below to the itch page, and I've also hosted this on Versal. I'll also put the GitHub link there. This is all open source, so you can take the code, mess around with it, and yeah, please let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.